The Samoan word for today is fa'avave, which means like to hurry or go fast. And so hurry and go to the site. And right now I have this this digital download running for free. It's about time and numbers. And you can check out other digital downloads there that you can purchase. And also we have like stickers that you can put on the inside of your car window like this. So you can check that out on there too. The Samoan word of the day is fa'aloalo, which is respect. And I have more to come, so I'm really excited about those. They look great. So let's go over this digital download. You have Uatalifia, which is literally, it struck the how many, right? So that's a common way to ask what time is it? Let's go over the numbers. We have Selo, which is 0, Tasi, Kasi, Lua, Tolu or Kolu, Fa, Lima, Ono, Fitu or Fiku, Valu, Ivas, Fulu. And then to make 11, 12, and so on until 20, you would just say Sefulu and then the number. So you have Sefulu.